more aloha there to review. Heather and I just finished having shrimp and rice at a little food truck called Giovanni's. Yeah, we had shrimp scampi, which is a lot of garlic, a lot of butter. And I'm not a shrimp person, like, at all. I never liked it as a kid, so for me to have shrimp was, like, crazy. It wasn't bad. I mean, I don't know. I don't think there's enough flavor in it. I'm more of a... Yeah, I don't know. I could have used more anything. Like, I feel like lobster and crab have more flavor. But, whatever. Not my base thing. But still good. I mean... It's worth it. Well, they do have lobsters here, but they're just flown in from our side of the country. It seems like every every place we see lobster, it's Maine, flown in from Maine daily. It's like, oh, no thanks. Like, we live close enough.
Thanks for getting this far in the video. To let everybody know, coming up, we don't say anything. There was a lot of editing into this, as in I edited the speed up. That's about it. We drive from the, let's see, northwestern side of the island to the almost northernmost point. But we don't really say much. We just kind of cruise, relax, little chatting, but nothing that YouTube needs to hang out in here. So if you want to see the end of the video, about a minute and a half until the end, you'll see where we wound up. If not, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Quarter mile destination left. I think this is it. We'll turn on a left turn signal and move forward. Sure, we go up here, then people can sneak around us, have a bus thing to do it in. I'm going to be next to the Honda Civic. Oof. Make sure you get your feet down pretty flat. I slid a little. Little shave ice. Yeah, buddy, this is my next stop. Shave ice, north side of the island. Yeah. I gotta reapply though. I'm getting a little pinkish.